Ever pondered the profound benefits that come from a humble mung bean sprout? This tiny, often overlooked green gem is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with protein, fiber, and an array of essential vitamins and minerals. Not to mention, it's low in calories and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. Now imagine if you could grow your own nutrient-dense mung bean sprouts, also known as tauge in the Philippines, right in your own home. Sounds intriguing? Well, our innovative company, CAPECCII, has made this a reality with the development of our cutting-edge product, VIGNA. A VIGNA is a bioenzyme that accelerates the growth of tauge or mung bean sprouts. The process is simple, and the result is a bounty of nutritious sprouts ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 days. The first step in this process is to soak your mung bean seeds in a solution of VIGNA and purified water. You'll know the mixture is just right when it takes on a brownish hue. The water should completely cover the seeds, and they need to soak for 8 hours. Once the soaking period is complete, it's time to move on to the next phase. Transfer the soaked mung bean seeds to a clean cloth and cover them with a dark cover. Mung bean seeds flourish in a dark environment, so make sure they're shielded from any light or sunlight. Ensure optimal growth. Spray the seeds 2 to 3 times a day with a solution of VIGNA Bioenzyme and water. In just 3 to 4 short days, you'll have a fresh crop of mung bean sprouts ready to harvest. Growing your own mung bean sprouts with VIGNA is not just an enjoyable and fulfilling hobby, it's an easy way to enhance your diet with a nutrient-dense food. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food comes from and how it's grown. In summary, the benefits of using VIGNA and growing your own mung bean sprouts are multifaceted. You get to enjoy the health benefits of mung bean sprouts, the process is simple and quick, and you have the reassurance of knowing the source of your food. It's a win-win situation all around. So why not give it a try and experience these benefits for yourself? Ready to get a head start on your health journey with mung bean sprouts and VIGNA? Take it a step further by getting your VIGNA Bioenzyme today. Made with all natural and organic ingredients by our very own Rajah Makalipay, Dr. Marlon L. Sayson at CAPECCII. Dial our landline at 032-325-2259 or reach us on our mobile at 0923-365-5734 to grasp more insightful information about nutrition, health, and sustainable living. We're eager to support and guide you on your journey to wellness. Ensure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for updates during our video uploads. Our platform is the go-to place for new ways to utilize your homegrown mung beans or innovative ideas to make your lifestyle more eco-friendly. By tuning in, you'll be the first to catch a glimpse when we share new videos. Don't forget to give this video a like. Get connected with CAPECCII today and stay updated on your path to a healthier lifestyle.